Hello everyone, this is Manas here. So today we'll see how to install CentOS8 on Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Let's start. So you just create new machine and let's give it a name, CentOS8. Okay, it is master, and you give a path, a path for this VM to be saved. I'll save it here, and it's already chosen Linux and Red Hat 64-bit. Let's go. 1 GB is the default memory size given. You can change it as your wish. We'll create a virtual disk. We'll use VMDK format. We'll use dynamically allocated hard disk. It is 8 GB and the default size is 8 GB. We'll give it a 16 GB, and you can see the VMDK file name that will be created, and we'll just do a create. So this will create a schema file for this machine, and on top of this we'll install a CentOS8. So before that we'll just go settings, and we'll go to network, and we'll choose as bridged adapter and save it. Okay, now go to settings again. We'll go to storage, go to controller ID, and then we'll choose CentOS location, ISO location. We'll choose the virtual disk file, and this is here. Let me just so you'll see it here, CentOS8. We'll choose it as our bootable disk. Let's click on OK, and now you click on the start button. We'll choose install CentOS Linux 8.0. We'll choose the language, continue. Here we'll keyword is installation media is a local media, and our partitioning is by default auto partitioning. If you want to create separate file systems for root, boot, where, home, all this file system you want to create, you can create it separately. Now on the automatic partition, it will create couple of partition, that is root and boot. That's it. So we'll leave it as it is because I do not want to do the automatic partition at this point of time. So let's click on done, and at the begin installation you can see this box is now highlighted. You can click on this button. Here you will choose a root password which you will require to log into this box. click on done. You can create another user as well, no, as per your use. I will not create one. I'll log into the system as root. It is now generating the initramfs. The OS has been installed successfully. We'll reboot it and start using it. Let's see. Let's reboot it and log into the system, and we'll then try to assign an IP to it, and we'll access the system. You need to select the you need to accept the EULA end user license agreement and click on done, and no and we'll create we'll click on the finish configuration, and it will start booting up. Let's give details about us, about me actually. So click on next. I just logged in as root, and it is asking me for genome in cell setup. Let's click on next. Okay, click on next, skip it, start using CentOS Linux. So I'll just close it. You go to the terminal here. So you can see that I'm logged in as root, and let's see the IP that has been currently assigned to this host. It is the bridge IP that we are getting here, and you can see this particular Ethernet card do not have any IP, and we have a loopback IP. So let's do an MTY, edit connection, choose this, edit, and we'll give it an IP. Let's add an address 192.168.1.110 and subnet mask is 24, and let's add a DNS server here. Let's add Google's DNS. Let's choose automatically connect. Go here, ignore the IPv6, and then click on OK. I've just given incorrectly the IP address. I forgot to add one here, so we'll give the gateway 192.168.1.1. all this good. Then automatically connect, click on OK and go back. It should be activated now, but we'll just deactivate and activate it again. Let's deactivate and activate it again. Go back, quit, and we'll do a IP space A. It will show us that we have assigned an IP 192.168.1.110 to this interface, and let's try to connect it from a putty remotely. So we have a putty here, and our host IP address is 192.168.1.110. Let's try a connection. Yes, click on yes, and then give root and give your password, and you are logged in. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel for new updates. Thank you, and please do not forget to press the bell icon.